In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on eBay using Google Chrome. This is a straightforward process, but it requires a little tweaking in the Chrome settings rather than directly in eBay, as eBay itself doesn't have a native dark mode feature. So let's dive right in and help you make your browsing experience easier on the eyes. To start, you'll want to have Google Chrome open and ready. If you're on your computer right now, go ahead and open up your browser. Now head over to the eBay website. You might wonder, why go to eBay first? Well, it's simply because we're focusing on enhancing your viewing experience on this platform, so it's handy to have it open as we tweak the settings. Next, we come to the part where we make the magic happen to switch eBay's appearance. Since eBay doesn't offer a dark mode option on its own, we'll use a clever workaround inside Google Chrome. What you need to do is type or copy and paste Chrome/flags into your browser's address bar. This command takes you to a hidden set of experimental features that Google is testing inside your Chrome browser. It might sound secretive, but it's perfectly safe and very effective for what we want to achieve today. Once you're on the Chrome flags page, you'll see a search bar at the top. Go ahead and type in dark mode. This search will highlight the specific option we're interested in. Next to dark mode, you'll probably see that it's set to default. We're going to change this. Click on that box that says default and select enable. You're essentially telling Chrome that you want to activate its dark mode feature. After you've enabled dark mode, a prompt may appear indicating that you need to restart your browser for the changes to take effect. Make sure you've saved any work you may have open, because when you restart Chrome, it will close all open tabs. Click on the relaunch button to restart Chrome. Once Chrome reopens, go back to eBay to see the change in action. The site's background should now appear much darker, with lighter text creating a less straining visual experience, especially in low light conditions. And just like that, you've successfully enabled dark mode for eBay using Google Chrome. This setting affects your overall Chrome browser, making many websites easier on the eyes, but it's particularly beneficial for sites like eBay where you might spend a lot of time browsing. If at any point you want to switch back, you can simply repeat these steps and change the setting back to default. I hope you find this guide helpful for creating a more comfortable browsing experience. Thanks for tuning in and happy surfing.